All right, so let's start with the Thymosin Alpha-1. So your thymus produces immune cells, T cells in particular, and thymosin alpha-1 is a peptide that tells the body to produce these. Zadaxin is this molecule that is actually a drug that's FDA cleared, and it's being used for hepatitis and cancer. Now, again, the peptide helps with the thymus. The thymus produces white blood cells, T cells, in particular CD8 and C4. These are your killer cells and helper cells as well, but the killer cells, I think that's just a really cool name. But your killer cells are basically your immune system that go after and they kill things and they take care of the bad guys. So thymosin alpha-1, though, it decreases in humans as we age. So what we can do is supplement to help bring it up. Thymosin alpha-1 also seems like it does a great job of actually helping the body find balance. You know, the immune system, when it is super high, causes autoimmune diseases. When it's super low, it can cause things like cancer. And for some reason, thymosin alpha helps bring balance. And it does this by going after tumors. It increases stem cells and also increases glutathione. You guys have heard me talk about glutathione quite often, the body's main antioxidant. So definitely want to make sure that we have that optimized. So what are a lot of functional medicine, integrative longevity doctors, how are they using this? I have a lot of colleagues using it for cancer. It's also being used in cold and flu, wink, wink. It actually helps when you give vaccines, increasing the immune response, but also, again, kind of helping balance the body, find the correct response with the vaccine. It does decrease inflammation, and it's also, I've heard a lot of my colleagues using it in Lyme disease. I personally look more at the aging because it helps with the cellular senescence process. So dose-wise, I do the 1.5 milligrams twice weekly, maximum, usually 6 months. You can go up to 12. Now, anytime that you're tinkering with the immune system, I'm a little conservative, so I like to sit at that 6-month mark. But again, the devil's in the detail as far as what's going on with the patient. But side effects wise, there's really not a whole lot being shown. And in most of the papers, thymosin alpha actually outranks placebo in the side effects, which is great. I personally take it anytime I'm going to travel, anytime I start feeling sick or I'm stressed. When the recent flu outbreak started, I did start supplementing with it just as a precautionary measures. All right, thymosin beta-4.